seen them.
Hi, this is Sandra again. This is part 4, 12 a.m.
Sperm
And
volcano.
I still have it fall asleep. And this is Bradley.
Sperm volcano.
Oh, I got like a big bottle of frozen Coke. Close the door quick and close the light. Got like a big bottle of frozen Coke. And
Would you like a volcano?
try, I'll show you when I open it.
It's like a sperm volcano. Trust me.
You should have, you should have seen a while ago.
Here, shake it up. Just put some of it.
All the Coke that melted was all over me.
And it really looks like beep. Imagine frozen sperm.
Oops. Oops, sorry.
You suck.
I know you do.
It's like a barrel of sick jokes. Oh, you should have seen Andre, yeah? He was like this. He was looking, he was like
Oh, stop looking that. Oh.
to you.
To me? To you.
Yeah, we're drinking liquid ice.
Have you seen my lips?
Too much. Too much frozen.
So.
Crawfish. Coffee.
And we'll do part 5 at 3:25 a.m. I still need to get to sleep because I still need to go to sleep today.